Hi everyone, it's Your Name or Brand Name, and today we're going on an adventure. But not just any adventure, a learning adventure. Did you know that you have everything you need to help your little one grow and learn right at your fingertips? It's true. We're going to unlock your baby's full potential together using things you already have around the house. Have you ever wondered how simple activities can shape your child's brain development? It's amazing how everyday items can transform into magical tools for learning and discovery. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the world of DIY sensory play. These activities are not only fun and engaging, but they also boost your baby's senses and help them learn and grow. So, are you ready to create a world of wonder for your little one? Let's dive right in and discover the magic of DIY sensory play. Remember, every touch, every sound, every texture is a new opportunity for your baby to learn and explore. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about sensory bags. These little wonders are like magic windows to a world of colors, textures, and fun. They captivate the senses and provide endless entertainment for your little one. They're super simple to make, completely mess-free and oh so mesmerizing for those curious little eyes. Plus, they're portable, making them perfect for on-the-go fun. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about these sensory bags? Why are they such a hit with babies and parents alike? Well, the answer lies in the power of touch. The tactile experience is incredibly enriching for babies. You see, when your baby reaches out and squishes a sensory bag, they're not just having fun, they're engaging in something called tactile stimulation. This is a crucial part of their sensory development. And this, my friends, is like a superfood for their developing brains. It helps build neural connections that are essential for learning and growth. Tactile stimulation helps babies develop their sense of touch, which is super important for exploring the world around them. It's their first step towards understanding their environment. It's like learning a new language, the language of textures, temperatures, and shapes. Each new sensation is a word in this fascinating language. And the best part is, it's all wrapped up in a fun and engaging activity that your baby will absolutely love. It's playtime with a purpose. Now let's see how to create these magical sensory bags. You'll be surprised at how easy and quick it is. It's easier than you think. You don't need any special skills or materials. All you need is a Ziploc bag, some clear hair gel, and a few little treasures for your baby to discover. These can be everyday items you already have at home. You can use anything from colorful buttons and sparkly sequins to small toys and even pictures of familiar faces. The possibilities are endless. Simply fill the Ziploc bag with the hair gel, add your chosen treasures and seal it up tight. Make sure it's securely closed to avoid any leaks. You can even add a few drops of food coloring for an extra pop of color. This makes the sensory experience even more vibrant and exciting. Once your sensory bag is ready, spread it out on a flat surface and let your little explorer dive into a world of tactile adventures. Watch their curiosity unfold. Watch as they poke, prod, and squish the bag, their eyes wide with wonder and delight. It's a joy to see their reactions. The hair gel creates a mesmerizing slow-motion effect as the objects move around inside, captivating your baby's attention and encouraging them to focus and explore. It's like a mini science experiment. Sensory bags are not just about fun and games though. They offer so much more in terms of developmental benefits. They also play a crucial role in developing your baby's hand-eye coordination. This is a foundational skill for many future activities. As they reach out to touch and grasp the objects inside the bag, they're learning to control their movements and coordinate their hand movements with what they see. This is essential for their motor skills. This coordination is essential for a wide range of skills later in life, from writing and drawing to playing sports and using tools. It's the building block for many complex tasks. It's amazing how such a simple activity can have such a profound impact on your baby's development. It's a small investment with huge returns. So there you have it, sensory bags, a world of wonder and learning, all wrapped up in a simple, mess-free package. They're a must-try for every parent. Give them a try and watch as your little one's face lights up with joy and discovery. It's a magical experience for both of you. Next up on our sensory adventure, we're diving into the wonderful world of water play. This activity is perfect for engaging your baby's senses and sparking their curiosity. Get ready for some splishing and splashing, because water play is not only tons of fun, but it's also a fantastic way for your little one to learn and grow. Through water play, babies can explore new textures, temperatures, and movements. Did you know that something as simple as playing with water can actually improve your baby's motor skills? The act of reaching, grasping, and manipulating objects in water helps develop hand-eye coordination. It's true, the buoyancy of water provides gentle resistance, which helps strengthen those little muscles as they splash, pour, and play. This resistance is great for building strength without putting too much strain on their developing bodies. But that's not all. Water play is also a fantastic way to introduce basic physics concepts like floating and sinking. These early science lessons can be both fun and educational. Watch as your little scientist experiments with different objects, discovering which ones float gracefully on top of the water and which ones sink to the bottom. This hands-on learning is invaluable for cognitive development. It's a magical world of exploration and discovery, and the best part is, you can easily set up a water play station at home in under 5 minutes. This makes it a convenient activity for busy parents. No need for fancy equipment or expensive toys, just a few simple household items and your baby's natural curiosity. Everyday objects can become fascinating tools for exploration. Ready to make a splash? Let's gather our supplies. This is a great opportunity to involve your baby in the setup process, enhancing their sense of anticipation and excitement. You'll need a large basin or tub, some water of course, and a collection of waterproof toys and objects. Make sure the basin is stable and placed in a safe area to avoid any spills. Think plastic cups, bowls, spoons, bath toys, sponges, and even some natural elements like pebbles or leaves. These items can provide a variety of textures and shapes for your baby to explore. Once you have your supplies ready, fill the basin or tub with water, making sure it's at a safe temperature for your little one. Always test the water first to ensure it's not too hot or too cold. Then, let the water play begin. Encourage your baby to explore the different objects, feeling the water on their skin, and observing how the water moves and interacts with the objects. This sensory experience is crucial for their development. Show them how to pour water from one container to another, how to make waves and splashes, and how to submerge objects and watch them reappear. These activities can help develop their understanding of cause and effect. You can even add a drop or two of food coloring to the water for an extra element of visual stimulation. This can make the water play even more engaging and exciting. As your baby plays, talk to them about what they're doing, using simple words to describe the sensations, actions, and observations. This interaction helps build their language skills and understanding. For example, you can say, "The water feels wet, you're pouring the water," or "Look, the boat is floating." These simple phrases can help your baby connect words with actions and sensations. Water play is not just about sensory exploration though, it's a multifaceted activity that offers numerous developmental benefits. It also encourages social and emotional development. When babies play with water, they often express joy, curiosity, and even frustration, all of which are important emotions to experience and understand. As your baby splashes and plays, they're learning to express themselves, engage with others, and regulate their emotions. This can be especially beneficial when they play with siblings or friends. So, there you have it. DIY water play, a splish-splashing good time that's both educational and entertaining. It's an activity that offers endless possibilities for learning and fun. Get ready to be amazed by your little one's discoveries as they dive into a world of sensory exploration. Watch as they learn, grow, and have a blast with water play. Chapter 3, Texture Play, a world of touch and feel. Our final sensory adventure takes us to the fascinating world of texture play. Get ready to explore a world of different textures, from the smooth and silky to the rough and bumpy. Texture play is all about introducing your baby to the concept of contrast, helping them develop their sense of touch and learn about the world around them. You see, our skin is covered in tiny sensory receptors that send messages to our brains, telling us all about the textures we encounter. From the soft caress of a feather to the rough bark of a tree, each texture provides a unique sensory experience that helps our brains develop and grow. Texture play is especially important for babies because their sense of touch is still developing. By exposing them to a variety of textures, we're helping them build a rich sensory map of the world, paving the way for better sensory processing as they grow. The best part about texture play is that it's incredibly easy to set up at home. You don't need any fancy equipment or expensive toys, just a collection of everyday items with different textures. Let's gather some treasures for our texture exploration. Look around your house for items with different textures. You can use fabric scraps like silk, velvet, cotton, and burlap. You can also use natural materials like stones, shells, leaves, and pine cones. Don't forget about household items like sponges, brushes, and even bubble wrap. Once you have a collection of textures, it's time to let your little explorer loose. Spread out a blanket or towel on the floor and arrange your texture treasures on top. Encourage your baby to touch, feel, and explore each item, describing the textures as they go. You can say things like, "This silk is so smooth and slippery," "The sandpaper feels rough and scratchy," or "The cotton balls are soft and fluffy." As your baby explores, watch their reactions closely. Do they seem to prefer certain textures over others? Do they recoil from certain textures or gravitate towards others? Observing your baby's reactions to different textures can give you valuable insights into their sensory preferences. Some babies are sensory seekers, always craving tactile input, while others are more sensitive to touch and prefer gentler textures. Texture play is not just about exploring individual textures though. You can also use it to create fun and engaging sensory activities. For example, you can create a texture box by filling a shoebox with different textured materials and letting your baby dig through and explore. You can also create a texture board by attaching different textured materials to a piece of cardboard or foam board. This creates a tactile wall that your baby can explore to their heart's content. Remember, the key to successful texture play is to provide a variety of textures and to let your baby explore at their own pace. So, there you have it. Texture play, a world of touch and feel that's both stimulating and educational. Get ready to embark on a sensory adventure with your little one, exploring the fascinating world of textures together. The joy and curiosity that texture play brings can create lasting memories and a strong foundation for sensory development. So, gather your textured treasures and dive into this wonderful world of touch and feel with your baby. Wow, look at all the amazing sensory adventures we've had today. We've explored the wonders of sensory bags, splashed our way through water play, and discovered a world of textures. And the best part is, these are just a few of the countless ways you can use DIY sensory play to enhance your baby's growth and development. Remember, every touch, every sound, every texture is a new opportunity for your baby to learn and grow. So embrace the power of play and create a world of sensory-rich experiences for your little one. You'll be amazed by how much they learn and how much joy it brings to both of you. We hope you enjoyed this sensory adventure as much as we did. Now it's your turn to try these activities at home. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on nurturing your little one's development. And be sure to